An aeroplane covers a certain distance at a speed of 240 km per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in 1 and 2/3 hours, it must travel at a speed of distance equals speed multiply with time equals 240 multiply with 5 equals 1200 km. Now time equals 1 into 2/3 equals 1 plus 2 by 3 equals 5 by 3 hours. Speed equals distance upon time equals 1200 upon 5 by 3 equals 1200 multiply with 3 by 5 equals 720 km per hour. If a person walks at 14 km per hour instead of 10 km per hour, he would have walked 20 km more. The actual distance traveled by him is. Let the actual distance x kilometer. We know that time equals distance upon speed. Here previous speed of person 10 km per hour, so actual time x upon 10. And distance traveled by person at the speed of 14 km per hour 20 km more, so x plus 20 upon 40. X upon 10 equals x plus 20 upon 14. 14x equals 10x plus 200. 4x equals 200. X equals 50 km. Excluding stoppages, the speed of a bus is 54 km per hour, and including stoppages, it is 45 km per hour. How many minutes does the bus stop per hour? Frequently asked question. This type of question asked number of times in exam. 54 to 45 equals 9 km equals distance cover. Time equals distance upon speed equals 9 upon 54 hours. To convert into minute, we have to multiply with 60. Equals 9 upon 54 multiply 60 equals 10 minutes. In a flight of 600 km, an aircraft was slowed down due to the bad weather. Its average speed for the trip was reduced by 200 km per hour and time of flight increased by 30 minutes. The duration of the flight is. This is critical question. Here we want to find duration of flight, that means time taken by flight. Let time taken by flight is x. Distance traveled by aircraft is fixed 600 km at the beginning. Time taken by aircraft is x. When speed of the aircraft is reduced by 200 km per hour, then time of flight is increased 30 minutes or 1.5 hour. Speed equals distance upon time equals 600 upon x minus 600 upon x plus 1/2 equals 200. Now denominator of denominator is going into numerator and also multiply with other factor of denominator. 600 upon x minus 600 multiply with 2 upon 2x plus 1 equals 200. 600 into 2x plus 1, minus 1200x equals 200x into 2x plus 1. 1200x plus 600 minus 1200x equals 400x square plus 200x. 600 equals 200, 2x square plus x. 3 equals 2x square plus x. 2x squared plus x minus 3 equals 0. Now to solve the question, try and error from option. A man completes a journey in 10 hours. He travels the first half of the journey at the rate of 21 km per hour and the second half at the rate of 24 km per hour. Find the total journey in kilometer. Let x be the distance. Time equals distance upon speed. 10 hours equals x by 2 upon 21 plus x by 2 upon 24. 20 equals x upon 21 plus x upon 24. 20 multiply 21 multiply 24 equals 24x plus 21x equals 45x. X equals 20 multiply 24 multiply 21 upon 45 equals 224 km. A man on tour travels first 160 km, 64 km per hour and the next 160 km, 80 km per hour. Find the average speed for the first 320 km of the tour. Time equals distance upon speed. Equals 160 upon 64 plus 160 upon 80. Equals 160 into 1 by 64 plus 1 by 80. Equals 160, 80 plus 64 upon 80 into 64. equals 160 into 144 upon 80 into 64 equals 9 by 2 hours. Average speed equals distance upon time equals 320 upon 9 by 2 equals 640 by 9. Total traveling time of Rahul is 9 hours. First 6 hours he travel at speed of 5 km per hour and next 3 hours he travel at the speed of 6 km per hour. Then find the average speed of Rahul. Very simple question. Distance equal to speed into time. When speed of Rahul is 5 km per hour, then time taken by Bhai Rahul is 6 hours, so distance equal to 5 into 6 equal to 30 km. When speed of Rahul is 6 km per hour, then time taken by Rahul is 3 hours, so distance equal to speed into time equal to 6 into 3 equal to 80 km. Average speed equal to average distance upon average time equal to 30 plus 18 upon 6 plus 3 equal to 48 upon 9 equal to 16 by 3 equal to 5 and a third km per hour. One car travels on road with 4 different speeds: 10 km per hour, 20 km per hour, 30 km per hour and 60 km per hour with 4 equal distances. Find the average speed of car. First of all, take LCM of 10, 20, 30 and 60, then you got LCM 60 and this is our equal distance. We have speed and distance, so can we get time as per the formula time equal to distance upon speed. So when speed is 10 km per hour, then time equal to 60 upon 10 equal to 6 hours. When speed 20 km per hour, then time equal to 60 upon 20 equal to 3 hours. When speed 30 km per hour, then time equal to 60 upon 30 equal to 2 hours. And finally, when speed 60 km per hour, then time equal to 60 upon 60 equal to 1 hour. So average speed of the car is 240 km upon 12 hours equal to 20 km per hour.